Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Also, I am doing well. Right now, I am walking on the footpath in this area, Nikunjo. Also, I am my head over the flyover. This is a Kuril flyover. People say Kuril flyover. It's Nikunja-1. Also 1 kilometer beside Nikunja-2. Same in this environment. Actually, I'd like to mean similar. Okay, it's a good environment. Okay, you can see people don't come now, but in the evening time most of the people come here. Also they are jogging purpose. Also they are also girlfriend or boyfriend come here. Okay, also family member, all family member come here, etc. This is a tharik tree. Tharik is a বাংলা বলতে গেলে খেজুর গাছ. Okay, Osim bus is go to towards maybe Badda. Okay, there's okay, beautiful tree. I would like to this. Okay, good environment. Okay. Okay. হৃদয় মন স্বপ্ন বলে তুমি কেন আমার না, তোমায় দেখেছি বলে মনে হয় তুমি আমার প্রিয় আমার people are coming. 2 people are coming towards me. Okay, look like Amazon, bro. Right now I'm going towards Nikunja-1 gate because I would like to my home. That's why. Right now I'm totally refreshed, man. Also is I was enjoy some people. Also I am most of the time I was feel good. Not really good, but it's a comfortable time I was spent there. Okay guys, see you next video.